You have $1 million?
No, no, I don't have $1 million. Why would I need $1 million?
Oh, right. Wait, this is what you're saying. This is so you don't need it. You have a significant portion of money, I assume.
No, no, you don't need a significant portion for C2. Well, first of all, if you want to start a strategy yourself, you don't actually need any money. You can
Damn.
start a strategy and you could
What
put
did they start with?
trades, huh?
Did they start with like $100?
This particular strategy started with,
$1,000.
yeah.
That was over 16 years.
Yeah, this is actually one of the longest standing strategies on Collective 2. So this particular one has averaged 25% a year for,
Wow.
yeah.
They know something.